Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, as from the title you guys must be already knowing that I'm going to answer few amazing questions, or not amazing but the questions which almost every teenage girl has, and I'll make sure I cover everything in this video, like the main questions which I have observed related to hair, body hair. And yes, if you find this video useful, then do subscribe to my channel and do hit like so it motivates me. And yes, watch this video till the end. You'll learn something new. Yes, definitely. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so the first question is, what about the body hair removal? Yes, hands and legs, it is basic. Either you go and do waxing. Second thing is you can go and use epilators. Yes, I'll put the picture over here. So epilators are something like that. I have used that, but I am not that great fan of epilators because it literally hurts, because वो hair खींचता है अंदर से. So मुझे इतना नहीं पसंद आया था. I have epilator at my home, but that my mom uses now. I don't use it. And waxing, if you ask me, मुझे waxing से, see, I am telling everything according to my skin, and my skin is very sensitive. So when I started with waxing, तो मुझे ना boils होने लगे on my thighs as well as on my arms. सो वो बॉयल्स के वजह से स्टार्टिंग में आई थॉट लाइक, मेरे को सब ने बोला कि वो फर्स्ट टाइम कराते तो होता है बॉयल्स, इट्स ओके, वो ठीक हो जाएगा. फिर आई डिड अगेन. फिर उसके बाद पीपल सजेस्टेड दैट यू कैन यूज पर्ल वैक्स और चॉकलेट वैक्स और ऑल दोज टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वैक्सिंग. सो मैंने वो सब भी ट्राई करा, लेकिन बॉयल्स तो आ ही रहे थे, एंड उसके वजह से माई स्किन गॉट वेरी बैड एंड स्पॉट्स वॉट्स होने लगे. So then I consulted doctor and doctor said waxing मत करो, उसके वजह से हो रहा है. So try using razor. After I started using razor, it literally made my life so easy. Like वो painless होता है, and I just love using razors on my body. And I use this Gillette razor, वो blue color वाला. उसके साथ I use this satin foam, which is very amazing. And make sure while you are using razors, don't use it without any foam. With foam is very important. And after using razor all over your body, you have to make sure that you apply body lotion all over your body. It is very important. So yes, this is what I do and this is what I like. So if you want, you can try. Razors are very easy to use. So this is something which I use, and according to my skin type. And this you can use on all over your body, like on your hands, legs and everywhere. Now let's come to next question, that is, what about the bikini hair? Like how you can remove that? So I use razors there as well, and sometimes definitely I go for cream, that hair removal cream. So you can use any hair removal cream. Previously I used to use Veet, but there are many other in market which you can try and which is amazing, and it is painless. And I have made a separate video related that in detail, so you can just go and watch that, link given in the description box, or I'll just put on the I button. So you'll get all the answers of the questions related this topic, like related to your intimate hair. Now the next question is similar to that, what about the facial hair? So for facial hair, like there are a lot of people who have a lot of hair on their upper lips and chin. And yes, I am a kind of person जिसको ज़्यादा hair नहीं है on my upper lips and chin, but जितने भी है you have to remove it. Like एक point आता है girls की life में that we have to remove, and we have to keep ourselves upgraded and keep our skin clean. So it is very important, and it is, even if we think as for hygiene purpose, it is very important. So everyone must do. So for that I have Sanfe Pretty Faces razor. They are amazing razors, and the best part is the color are pastel. You get 3 razors inside this, and they are amazing. Like very easy to use, very gentle on your skin. You don't have to प्रेस, लाइक ऐसे ग्लाइड किया ना, वो ऑटोमेटिकली हेयर रिमूव कर देता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. यू हैव टू वॉश योर फेस, gently glide on your skin wherever you have hair on your face. Avoid places where you have pimples and acne. Then just glide it and your hair is removed. You can even use this on your eyebrows to shape up your eyebrows. Yes, I don't have much dark eyebrows, but yes, definitely जो extra hair होते हैं just to give a shape, I use this razor and this is amazing. Like इससे easy और कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. And वो thread से तो बहुत pain होता है. This is painless process. Sanfe Pretty razors are here to revolutionize the way women shave their face and make women facial hair removal the new norm. The razor comes with a Japanese notch blade technology which avoids nicks and cuts while giving the best shave experience. Sanfe Pretty facial razors has the perfect anti-slip silicone grip which gives better control over the movements. You can use the code PRETTY10 to get flat 10% off on Amazon and their websites. All the links given in the description box. Okay, and Sanfe has other products as well, like which helps for your intimate area, and I'll just show them. So the first product over here is this Bright and Beautiful Insight Sanfe Intimate Lightening Serum. So for the people who have always thought of like their intimate areas are very dark, so if you ask me, it's okay to have dark intimate areas, but then also you are skeptical about that, you can definitely use these creams, use this serum, and it will help you to lighten it. Like इतना एकदम से गोरा नहीं कर देगा, एकदम light नहीं करेगा, but definitely it affects, like there is a difference. Next is again Sanfe Brightening Back and Bum Cream. So this also again helps to make your intimate areas dark, like dark intimate areas light. And how to apply, the procedure is written at the back of these creams. So it is very easy, you can definitely try these. And the next product is that Bikini Line Hair Removal Cream. So this is the cream which I already talked about. Like you can use this hair removal cream which is literally painless, and this is specially for bikini area. So when you get other creams in market, they are for all the body parts, but this is specially made for bikini area. So this is very gentle than other creams. Okay, last product from Sanfe is Underarm Depigmentation Serum, which help you to balance your pH level on your underarms. So this is how the serum looks. You have to just gently take 2 drops and massage your underarms. This literally helps you to depigment your underarms. Okay, so the last question which everyone has this is that what about the underarms? So for underarms you can definitely go for waxing, because razors use karna bhi problem nahi hai, but you get little harsh hair and which itches your underarms. Hair on your hands and legs वो चल जाता है क्योंकि वो hardly एक दिन के लिए रहता है, but on underarms it itches, so you can go for waxing or hair removal cream. So what if I use razors there? There's nothing problem in that. This is what something which I don't like, and I definitely use razors many times whenever I am in hurry, but other than that I use wheat wax strips. So it helps me to have long lasting without hair underarms. Yes, and there are other creams as well. So for the people who have dark underarms and are very skeptical to wear sleeveless tops, so for them there are a lot of creams in market, and the Sanfe serum which I already talked about, and the other cream is this QRR, I don't know how to pronounce, but this is the cream, and which you can order from Nykaa as well as Amazon, and this is amazing. This is like literally tried and tested by me and many other YouTubers. So this is which worked for me, and before 1-2 years पहले मेरे underarms एकदम dark हो चुके थे कोई तो reason से, and literally this helped me. And how to apply, just take the cream, clean your underarms, take the cream, apply morning and night before sleep and morning after you take bath, उसको apply कर लिया, वो automatically will help you to get your underarms white and depigmented. Same work does is this Sanfe serum, and this also works amazing. So yes, I hope I have answered like a good amount of question, and this video was very useful. If this video was useful, share with your friends, and do hit like to this video so it motivates me. If you have any more such questions, do let me know in the comment section. Yes, that was all for today. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload my new videos every week, so you'll get something new to see every week and new to learn related fashion, beauty and these things. So yes, do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Links given in the description box. Bye bye. See you in next video.